Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Wednesday, January 29. Let's start with Bitcoin. Or actually, let's start with a warning. Today we have FOMC. Stay out from the market if you are a trader. If you are a position trader, if you are an investor, you don't care about FOMC too much. At least not exactly the event. But if you are a trader, stay out. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin. Strong and really strong here. You can see if we are zooming out on daily chart, we are still above 100k. We tested, we rejected, and you can see we are playing around here. After we'll take the all-time high, we know we'll go higher. If we'll accept below 100k again, well, that means we'll probably test 89 and lower. So this is our I don't know how to say it. This is support and resistance, the big one. If it stays above 100k, everything is nice and clean. As long as Bitcoin stays there, altcoins could perform. And you can see this list is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 in green. I love to see green, but seeing green before FOMC is not the best. Okay, daily, strong, we are fighting this level, on lower time frame that's a range by itself here, but on daily I think we are more than okay. OBV is still holding, RSI is still above 50%, I think we are okay for the moment. In the FOMC I could see a big candle up and down, or maybe it will be a small candle, who knows, but doesn't matter what will be. The idea is it's possible to have a candle like this, even bigger. You can see this one, and that could move the market up too much, get an ugly slippage and destroy your account. So that's why if you are a day trader, I recommend to stay out. Yeah, it's different. Spot it's one thing and leverage is a different thing. On spot you don't have slippage. If you put a limit order to sell, you can have slippage, I get it, yeah, okay, but you are not so exposed like on leverage. Yeah? Okay, so that's Bitcoin. As long as it's holding here, I think we are more than okay. Ethereum, weak and weaker than Bitcoin. Let's try to consolidate more on this $3,000 level. Nothing we can do. We are still in this environment, lower highs and lower lows. Higher time frame, if you are looking, still uptrend here, still an uptrend. But for the moment is at least, let's not say bearish, it's going sideways. I'm not shorting Ethereum. I don't want to even touch short side on Ethereum, but I don't see any other setup. Simple as that. Morning Bukur, morning Andrei, morning Ivan, morning everyone. Morning Nore. So, seeing consolidation here makes me think, well, give me a W on daily and then we can talk about. For the moment, you can see the volatility is slowly getting out. People are losing interest again in Ethereum. That will change at some point in time, hopefully. But for the moment, I don't see a setup. It's just in the middle of nowhere here. Support $3,000. Let's see if we'll hold. Bitcoin dominance. Well, we are at 78.6 here. We are below 60%, which is a nice resistance now. We can do ugly things in the event, in the FOMC. Overall, I see a big range here. If the market will accept above 60, will accept above 61.5, and will push higher, well, so be it. But if Bitcoin will push higher and higher, and altcoins will lag behind Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dominance will push higher, I don't mind. But for the moment, we have this as a resistance, and we can hunt short ideas. 78.6 even if you take this one, the big one, okay, if you put another short reload zone, swing high, swing low all the way down here, and let's say you put a short reload zone. There you go, you can see we are in the same location, short reload zone. So I could think, let's hunt EMs, let's think reversal. Ethereum versus Bitcoin is testing that dark maul candle that week. Could be the bottom. It's possible. 0.03 could be the bottom. We are at 78.6 from the entire range. But for me to call a bottom, I need a W, like I said multiple times. I cannot be bearish here, but at the same time, I cannot be bullish here until I'll not see I want to see a clear W, daily W, not 4 hour, not lower time frame. Daily, weekly W in 78.6 could make me be bullish on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Good morning, Stefan. So, for the moment, let's wait for that W. Will take some time to form, that's for sure. Total market cap, nothing special, nothing changed from yesterday. We are still fighting in this range. We are still above 3 trillion. I'm still bullish. Total 3, similar. Fighting $1 trillion. Up and down, up and down. How long we'll fight this level? I don't know. As long as it needs, and we need to be patient and wait. We'll probably, most probably break to the upside, but when? Market could tell us that. Okay. That's the overview. When you do an overview day in, day out, just to have an idea what's in the market, not too many things are changing. So, let's wait. Today we have FOMC. I prefer that all the traders to stay out. Yeah, I know what will do Stefan will do, what I'll do. If I'll see a good SFU, I'll try to take it. But almost 90% of the time I'll stay out and I'll wait. I'm not playing 5-minute time frame W's. I'm not playing as usual all the scalps. I'm staying on the sidelines, just enjoying the view. We made money, all of us. At least we should have some money in the pocket for this week. Why? Well, let's take a look at what we posted here. This is a bot setup from yesterday in play, but I wasn't talking about this one. This trade was publicly posted. This one was discussed in the live stream. In the live stream, I took this one, and we discussed that we'll take 100k in $800. Yeah, look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. Here we have a 3.5. Here we have a 3.1. Here we have a 5 to 1. Okay, if you took the profit higher here and you booked only a 3 to 1, okay, doesn't matter. You made money. Here, the same. 3 to 1. I'm still waiting to hit that level. I think we can push a bit higher. Okay, so we made money. And I hate the fact that trading in FOMC, some people will give the money back to the market. Just stay out. We can play the fib pong here. Yeah, it's tempting. Honestly, it's tempting to draw a swing high, swing low, short reload zone here and play again. So technically, we should play a short here. You can see we are in 61.8 here. Short reload zone, give me an M, give me a... I don't know, Empire top, give me a head and shoulder pattern, and I could short again. Or we can SFU the highs and then go back down. But I think we made money. Let's enjoy the money we made and let's wait. Let other people play the FOMC. We'll play after the FOMC. So, it's risky. I have a special account for that. I have a small account. I'm playing only the risky plays. When I consider, well, I like the idea, but I'm not allowed to play it with my big account. I have a smaller one where I could fuck around. But it's exactly that, fucking around. And that account reminds me from time to time why I'm not playing on big account. Either I'm getting an ugly slippage, either the trade is not working, either I got stop loss hit immediately. I'm not on that account playing all the bad news or all the news. I'm not losing money on that account, but it's not more profitable than the other one. So idea is clear. Stay the fuck out. Okay, Bitcoin, Dimension, they are trying to play around. Ethereum, yeah, we had swing low, swing high, long reload zone here. Yeah, you can see the double here. I decided last night to play to play only the Bitcoin chart, not Ethereum. It was a bit obvious to me that I should play Bitcoin. If it will bounce, Bitcoin will bounce first and stronger. Everything is green here, which is nice. We had Jupiter last night, and someone asked, well, you are still in the trade? Well, no, I'm not. My stop loss got hit, I'm out. You cannot play like on spot. Well, I have a soft stop loss and I'll fuck around and well, maybe you'll reverse that spot. And I don't recommend, not even on spot. But on leverage, on futures, you are not allowed to do stupid mistake like that. Yeah, you can see it's reversing, but I'm out. In the same time, this one could go all the way down here at 90 cents or even lower with a week. We don't need the price to stay there. And that will do damage to my account. I'm out and I'll wait for the next setup. You can see. If we'll accept above this level and if we'll form another uptrend, then I could enter again. And when I'm hunting 5, 10 R with Holy Grail, I could afford to take a stop loss like this without any problem. Without any problem. Well, enjoy, Bukur. If you manage to manage your risk and move your stop to scratch or get a free position, why not? Good morning, Hania. Short the Ponzi? I don't know about shorting. I'll tell you what, Bukur. Put in your agenda that Paul says not to short shitcoins in a bull market, specifically a shitcoin that born half of the or almost half of the supply. That's the best and the most bullish thing ever. Okay? Remember that. When a shitcoin is cutting off the supply, that's bullish, man. Yeah? You want to know who did that in the past? BNB did that. CZ decided to remove some BNB from the entire supply. And look at BNB, was the best performing motherfucker in the bear market. Look at BNB, how BNB behaved in the entire bear market. So when you see the 99% of them, they are increasing the supply, and some motherfucker says, well, no, we have a big supply, let's remove it. Well, for example, if you had 0.1% from Jupiter, from the entire supply, because they burn half of it or almost half of it, you now have 0.2% from the entire supply. I think that's bullish. After all, everything is about how much supply you have. If FOMO will come in and people will want to buy, if the supply is limited, the price will increase even higher. And I think they planned that on Jupiter. I don't think they want Jupiter to stay at $1 the entire bull market. Or at least they noticed that last year, in 1 year, Jupiter didn't do anything. So they removed some supply. That's bullish. I could see medium term, I could see $2 on Jupiter, I could see $5 on in the bull market, maybe 10 even. I told you not to sell your Jupiter. The rest is up to you. Yeah? Remember, and the airdrop price was 80 cents. And some people sold it. Well, now it's 20% higher. Imagine to sell your airdrop at 80 cents and then to see that the market reached $8. When you look yourself in the mirror, what's the name you want to call yourself when you see that? Please tell me in the comments. Anyway, I'm out from this scalp. I'll wait for the next one. Okay? Well, sorry, you have to put your mic at max, your volume at max, Russian minus. Sorry. That's the best thing I can do here. Yeah. If I'm putting the mic too loud, the voice will sound uglier. So, well, let's try it. I think that's the best I can do here. Okay. Now, yeah, okay. Probably from the OBS, I didn't notice that was a bit lower than usual. Okay, people. That's Jupiter. Ripple. Well, you can see what happened. Yeah. We had another one. Tau. Well, you can see on Tau. We decided to take yesterday a bot setup. We are in profit. Same. I'm not fucking around here. I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got the setup. I'm playing the setup. Either I'll hit my stop loss, either I'll hit my take profit. I posted this setup in the live stream yesterday. So, nothing more I can do about it. I'm waiting like everyone else. I see green everywhere here on the, but before FOMC doesn't matter if I see green. Someone asked me in the VIP, Mike actually asked me what I'm expecting from, well, I'm expecting the unexpected and I'm staying the fuck out. Remember that this FOMC is the first one after the Trump is president again. So I'm expecting Trump to put some pressure on Powell and show him that he's the boss. I don't know if he'll succeed or if he'll do it this time or next time, I don't know. But definitely Trump wants another cut. At least that's my opinion. But predicting what Powell or what Trump will do is not my business. There are smarter people trying to do that, and they are failing 40-50% of the time. I'm a stupid trader, level by level, respecting the setup, respecting the risk management. I'm not a guy to ask what will happen or what do you think will happen. I think I should stay the fuck out. I'll wait for the news. I'll wait for the market reaction. If I see a setup, I'll play it after the news. Simple as that. Okay? Now, let's take a look at other coins. For example, last night, I didn't want to sleep. I don't know. And I stayed for 3 or 4 hours on the pump fund to hunt some shit coins. Yeah, well, I'll be patient. I'll wait for something to appear, and if I'll see something nice, I'll take it. And I found this shitcoin here in the making, exactly after listing on Radium. Yeah, 100 and somewhere in here. I posted first. I learned my lesson. I bought it first and then I posted. So I posted this one here, and if you took from 160k market cap, yeah, from here until here you have I don't know, kind of 20x from my post. Wasn't in the middle of the night. I don't know how many people managed to take the call. I know Bukur was up and he took it. Made some nice money, sold half on a double just to recover my money. I played with 2 accounts, so on a big account I played safer, on a smaller account I played a bit more riskier. But the idea is clear. Made nice money here. And then Bukur said, well, look at another one. Similar shit. Well, look at it. This one is still trying to perform here. So don't tell me the public is not here. Don't tell me that the bull market is not on, because it is. I think will last longer. The craziness should go bigger. But we are in a deep bull market. Look at it. A shitcoin like this goes from, I don't know, from 0 to 2 million market cap, 2.6, in no time, in 1 hour. And then goes all the way back down. And I saw the Twitter and I saw the website. I think this one will consolidate and will do another one, at least 1 million. So I reloaded here. But people, they are shitcoins. Don't expect this one to be around in a couple of months or a couple of years. I'm selling half on a double when I'm just to recover my money, because I want to be damn sure I'm not risking my own money. But that doesn't mean I'll hold a bag like this one for months or years. Nah. I downloaded my bag here in the highs as best as I can. I could do it. And I'm reloading here. I'll repeat the process once. When the market will retest 1 million market cap, maybe if I see more bullishness, I'll wait a bit more. And then I'll sell and I'll forget about it. Because this one is just a shitcoin. If I'll play 1,000 coins like this and one of them will go to the moon, yeah, billions, yeah, so be it. If you want, you can keep a moon bag. For example, here, you sold 90% of the bag and you let 10%. Well, let's just forget about it. Possible. So, last night I played the shitcoins. Giga ass and giga tits. Can you imagine what we are playing here? I was even laughing with Booker, and I said, how the fuck I'll call my wife that I made money last night with ass and tits? Just imagine. Okay. Shitcoins, you can go, if you know how to hunt, go and hunt shitcoins, but it's not for beginners. It's not an easy game. Yeah, I waited for 3 fucking hours to find one good play. And I looked in that time, I don't know, I think 20, 30 coins I saw listed from pump fund to radio. And I didn't touch them. I saw, well, pump and dump. This will go to zero. This will go to zero. I waited and I waited. So you need more patience than usual trading. Yeah, easy money. If you make, I don't know, for example, you bought here at 150k market cap and you bought with, I don't know, 1 or 2 Solana and you sold 10 times higher. Yeah? You made some nice money, I think. Doesn't matter how you put it. If you are from United States, if you are from Russia, if you are from Europe, doesn't matter. Still nice money. So easy money, but you need a lot of patience. I know the game, but sometimes I play a setup and I don't want to fuck around here. When I have the time and I feel that need to hunt some shitcoins, I'm playing, but not all the time. Julian is a good player on shitcoins. Okay, people, let's wrap it up. If you have requests, please type in the chat. I'll be more than happy to take a look, to give you my 2 cents about the market. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor, so it's your responsibility what you do with your own money. Yesterday we made nice money. VIP made money, premium people made money, even general people made money. I love this environment. To be a trader and have nice volatility, it's all you can hope. Yeah? You'll have losses, of course, but you'll make money if you are a good trader. Without volatility, yeah. And I think Trump, if it's telling us something, is telling us that we'll have volatility these 4 years. Another guy asked me what they should do with the profit from trading. Move the money from a hot wallet to a semi-cold wallet. So from the leverage, if you have some profit and you want to move it somewhere, move it on the spot, on the investment part. Yeah? For example, I'll give you an example. I made here, let's say I made 10 Solana, and I want to keep half to increase my account and the other half to put it on a other wallet, not so hot, not so. Well, I could go here. Now I could look at some shitcoins on higher time frame. For example, let's give you an example. Dimension. If I'll take that 5 Solana, and I'll buy Dimension here. Well, I'll buy 1 Solana Dimension, and then I'll go with the money, I mean, not exactly Solana. Huh? And I'll find 5 altcoins that I think they could perform on the bull market. Then I take another Solana, I'll buy this low, and I'll do the same process 5 times. Let's say I split it 5 Solana and 5 buys. You think I could make more money? I don't want to keep more than 20% in the hot wallets, people. I learned my lesson last time. So if you made some profit and you have some money, move it from the hot wallet, because you can do a stupid mistake with a trade on shitcoins or with leverage, and you can lose that money. If you move the money in the investment part, it's a bit safer. Crypto is not safe, but it's a bit safer to buy alt here than to play with leverage in the FOMC, for example. Yeah? So move your money. I have 3 steps. Yeah? I'm making money on leverage, on lower time frame, day trading, scalping, and then I'm moving money from that to spot. Or if I need money to investment, well, I think I should compensate to keep the balance on my entire portfolio. I will take some money directly from the day trading in the investment. But usually it's day trading, swing trading, investments. Don't keep all the money. Well, I need a big account on day trading. You don't need a big account. Big account means big position, means big emotions, means you should be able to handle it. If you are not able to handle it, lower it down. No? You think I'm playing 1% from my entire account on day trading and scalping? No fucking way. Too much money for my mind. I'm playing 0.5 and 1% from my day trading account. Well, I have that account. I'll keep that account under control. I'm making money. I'm taking money from there. So I could risk 0.5 and 1%. And I'll feel okay if I lose 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. If I'll feel some emotions or too much emotions after 4 stop losses in a row, I know that my account is too big. Well, explosive gaming, I'll tell you a story. In Crypto Traders Arena, we are not allowed to talk about dollar value of our portfolio. I'm not allowed to say, well, I made $2,000 last night, or I made $5,000, or I made $5. We are talking in percentage, because that's the most important. It's a healthy way to grow your portfolio, and it's a nice way to respect everyone. Okay? Because if someone will come, well, last night you took that setup, yeah, I made $5,000. And another guy say, well, I took the setup, I made $10. So we don't do that in Crypto Traders Arena. No referrals, no bragging about how big my portfolio is. Just trading and learning how to trade. Okay? Some people have big portfolios. Some people have medium portfolios, and some people are starting again and again with, I don't know, $500, $1,000. For example, Stefan started with $100 2.5 years ago, and now it's a lot higher. Okay. So that's the procedure. If I'm making money in the futures, I'm moving money from that. Because if you respect the plan and the market is okay, you have volatility, your account will grow faster than you. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but your account will grow faster than you. Stefan definitely knows what I'm saying. He had that problem too many times. Yeah? If the market is good, your account will grow faster than you. So for example, you'll take 1%, your 1% will become from $10 to $100. Usually $100 risk per trade, it's like a wall. Your mind will calculate what you can do with that money in real life. No? So you'll feel emotions. Let's say you'll risk per trade $200. Well, your mind will start to ask some questions every time you trade. And when you hit 4 stop losses, 5 stop losses in a row, you'll feel big emotions. And that could destroy your account and your trading style. So you need to slow down. You didn't, explosive. You didn't bother anyone. I just explained you what it is. It's not. I don't take things personally. If you will behave ugly, not the case. If you behave ugly, right click, ban. Discord out, everywhere out. I don't want to see you anymore. If you are not misbehaving and you ask a question, I don't have a problem. Okay. So, I took another shot on this one. I posted on DGen calls last night. Here you can see new coin, the best coin ever, and Bochan told about it. Don't buy the top, wait for a retracement. Well, we fucking have the retracement W exactly where we wanted. I posted. If people played it, okay. If didn't, it's up to them. And you can see classic what I want on new coins. I want W at 78.6. Breakout retest. You had 2 chances to take the breakout because I posted exactly at the breakout, or to play the retest in the morning. Now, I'm just waiting to see what will happen. But it's a nice play. Someone said, well, it's a big market cap. Well, if it has value, it's not my business. It's not such thing in crypto as too big. Yeah? You saw what Trump did. Billions and billions and billions. So, I'll not say, well, it's too big. No, I'll take it from where it is. If I'll see a nice setup, I'll take the setup, and that's it. If this one reached, I don't know, $22, that means it's possible to reach it again, at least. So I took the trade here. Yeah? So I give you some plays. Yesterday, I give you some plays today. I'm not saying to go on Giga Ass or Giga Tits and play these ones. No. If you are a DGen like me, Julian, Stefan, Carol, and other people, okay. If you are not, stay on spot. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. I don't see requests. Or maybe I didn't look careful enough in the chat. No. Today it's a popcorn day, how we like to call it. I don't know for the moment if we'll do a live stream in the FOMC. Usually me or Stefan, we are live streaming on Discord at that point in time. I'll discuss with Stefan and we'll see, maybe. It's too early in the day to call that. Okay? See you guys if you are a premium in the New York session. If you are not, tomorrow the same video. By the way, 2 places left. We start Monday next week. Up to you. Who will pay first will get the place. It's that simple. Okay, people. See you next time. Bye bye.